Module 2, Chapter 10. Which assets grow net worth fastest? Not all assets are created equal. Some grow your net worth faster, while others mainly protect or preserve it. Let's find out which assets should take priority. Assets can be categorized by how they impact your net worth. 1. Low risk, slow growth. Cash, savings, FDs, RDs. 2. Medium growth. Gold, silver, jewelry, real estate. 3rd, high growth. Stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, crypto. Knowing where to focus helps you grow wealth efficiently. Ravi invests only in FDs and cash. His wealth grows slowly. Neha spreads her money across stocks, gold, and real estate. Her net worth grows much faster. Prioritizing high-growth assets can make a huge difference over time. Remember, not all assets grow equally. Focus on high-growth ones for wealth building. 2. Balance risk and liquidity according to your goals. 3. Avoid putting all money in low-growth or sentimental assets only. 4. Diversification is key. Mix safe and productive assets. 5. Tracking all assets in Folo ensures you see the full picture. Folo shows all your assets, their growth potential, and total net worth in one place. See which assets are working hardest for you and make smarter decisions. You now know the different assets, how they grow, and how to track them. Next, we'll dive into creating your own net worth strategy with Folo.